So I'm looking at this differential. I already pulled the axles out. The bearings look pretty good. I think I'm going to open it up and have a look. I still didn't take the bottom of the shocks off. I'll take those off and then take this vent hose off here. On the other side there's a little cover plate over here to take off this rear wheel anti-lock brake sensor. Take that out. Got the nuts off of here. Not sure how I'm going to pry that off, but just so I remember, this little bracket slides on like this on the top. Okay, I got this differential out of the case. That took a while. It was really glued in there. I hung it on the engine hoist and then took some of the weight off and tried banging on that, and that wouldn't come loose. Tried using my rubber hammer on it and wailing on there. And finally I was able to get it off. I pried on the edge and I got a little screwdriver in. I had a helper, and then I was able to work around it and work it loose, but that was very difficult to take out. Anyway, next thing, I'll have a look at this real careful and decide if I want to try to take this apart or if it's just fine the way it is. Looking on the inside, it seems fine. After going through this differential, just looking at it and cleaning it up a little bit, everything in there looks really good, and I don't have any reason to disassemble it, so I'm just going to put it back in. I have my differential case here all ready to go. So to put it back in, I'm going to RTV these surfaces. RTV on there, RTV on here. Didn't make too much mess. Now just make sure I don't put it upside down. This side with the 4 holes goes up. Hopefully it'll slide right in there. There we go. One side's in. I might need to tap it with my rubber hammer. Oh, did it go in? Oh, it just went in by itself. There we go. Now I'll just put the nuts on and tighten those down. I need to order the axle seals, oil seals for the axles before I put those back in. I torqued all of these bolts, or nuts I should say, to 40 foot-pounds. All cleaned up.